Okay guys, we got an update for the 2021 Mustang Mach 1 handling package with the A10 10-speed automatic. In the previous video, I complained about erratic shift patterns and the Sport Plus mode going on the off ramp. On deceleration, it has kicked down into gear so hard that it made the car slide a little bit. Ford reached out to me, so I dropped it off to Ford to have them check it out a few months ago. And then no change. I had them, an oil change was due, so then I dropped the vehicle off to them a couple days ago, and the results are back. They called me and said they did the TSB software update, no change. Ford is going to, they told me Ford will either replace the transmission or rebuild it. They contacted me back and they said Ford wants to rebuild it. So if you look under the most recent TSB, it says that if you flash the transmission tune and it doesn't fix the erratic shifting patterns, then the protocol is to, I believe it is to replace the drum. I will post the actual details and all the details in the link below to the document. So if you're having any type of erratic shift pattern in your vehicle, I recommend taking it to Ford, having them update the tune, because there's multiple revisions. If you've never done it, your car's probably not been revised. So there's a TSB on it. So if you have erratic shifting, different, mine was the most noticeable in Sport Plus when I would slow down on an off ramp. So something with the deceleration with a decline, it would kick down in high rev and it would lurch forward. It would go down. It would be like downshifting a manual car without clutching, without rev matching. That's what it would feel like. So it was a big clunk. It almost felt like it was throwing you through the windshield. So I just wouldn't use Sport Plus mode when decelerating. Now, here's some other things. I didn't pick, if I wanted a fast manual vehicle, I would have just bought a base model Mustang. I've had manual cars, I've had 50 plus cars, and I just did not want a manual car anymore. I wanted to test out the new 10-speed, and the Mach 1 is my absolute favorite vehicle. It has the GT350R suspension, the best looking wheels Ford makes, the best front end that it makes, and it's got the 5-liter, which is better for just adding some boost and being an 800 horsepower daily driver. And the cruising comforts of the Recaros, the Bang & Olufsen sound system, all the digital dash, the MagnaRide, all that cool features for a sweet daily. Yes, it's crazy expensive. Can you build something faster for half the price? 100%, but that's why I like it, and that's it was available, so I just got it for the channel, for my personal enjoyment, actually. So they're going to rebuild the transmission, and it's under warranty. I forgot that there's a 5-year, 60,000 mile warranty. I only have 20,000 miles on the vehicle, and I've got another year and a half. So if they rebuild this thing and it still acts funny, I'll just have them go back in and rebuild it again. And eventually I'll just press them to put a whole new transmission in if it comes to that. Like I said, here's the funny thing. My 2008 Toyota Prius that has 300,000 miles on it, and my 2000 Toyota Land Cruiser with 350,000 miles worth of vehicles that are being used, while my $20,000 mile Mustang is in the shop. So what I'm going to do is continue to drive my Prius and my Land Cruiser. It's only going to be off the road for 3 days. I should be able to pick the car up on Monday. It's all under warranty. I don't care if they pull the transmission out and rebuild it. It's not on my dime. I just will not have the car for a few days, and it's going to run better when I get it back. And if it doesn't, I'll just press them until they put a new transmission in it. That's all. So it's really nothing out of my pocket. It doesn't bother me or affect me in any way. I'm just glad that the vehicle will have a new tune. It'll be running better, and then hopefully we can start looking at some Steeda Springs and an ESS kit. I've been pricing those out. I've been watching Alex talk about how to boost up the Gen 3 10R80 ESS kit. I want very low boost where I can just ring the motor out consistently without having any detonation, and I'm not worried about big power numbers. I just want to hear the whine at idle, and I just want to make some decent power. It's going to be fast enough. The car is already, I'm telling you, with the rear end gears and the suspension and the way the car drives and feels, it feels incredibly fast stock. It feels great stock. I don't do a lot of racing anymore. I'm 41, so a 10R80 car with the Gen 3 Coyote feels fast enough for me. especially with the suspension that's on the Mach 1. It makes it feel like a real, it feels tight. It feels so good. It feels like a 350 or something suspension wise. So thanks for watching. Just want to give you guys a quick update. And in a couple days, I will be able to give you, so subscribe if you'd like to stay following with the 10-speed automatic, because in just a couple days, I'll have the car back and I'll be able to give you a full rundown on exactly what they replaced, and I'll keep you updated. So hopefully we'll have the car in a few days with the transmission rebuild. I'll read out the whole list of details of everything they replaced, and I'll give you real-time feedback on if it fixed it or not. So stay tuned, hit the like, that will help the algorithm. Other 10R80 owners, it will help them see this video, and subscribe if you want to follow along. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.